One man who became a groundbreaking scientist, a university leader, a global diplomat, a literary voice for
Did
Africa.
you know one of Sierra Leone's greatest scientists also became president of the UN Security Council? Many people know Sierra Leone for its history and politics, but very few people talk about one of the most brilliant intellectuals the country ever produced. His name was Davidson Nicol, and his story is one that every Sierra Leonean should know. Here are some powerful facts about him. Born in Freetown, Dr. Nicol was born in Freetown in 1924. From an early age, he showed extraordinary academic ability that would eventually take him to the highest levels of global education and diplomacy. First African with first-class honors at Cambridge. He made history at University of Cambridge. Dr. Nicol became the first African student ever to graduate with first-class honors from Cambridge. This achievement alone placed him among the most respected African scholars of his generation. Scientific breakthrough in diabetes research. As a physician and biochemist, Nicol conducted groundbreaking research on insulin. He became the first scientist to analyze how insulin breaks down in the human body.
This research contributed to the global understanding of diabetes treatment. First native principal of Fourah Bay College, Dr. Nicol later returned home and made history again. He became the first Sierra Leonean principal of Fourah Bay College. This institution is often called the Athens of West Africa, and his leadership marked a major moment in Sierra Leone's academic independence. Vice Chancellor of the University of Sierra Leone. He also served as Vice Chancellor of the University of Sierra Leone. At the time, he was helping shape higher education in a newly independent African nation. Global diplomat Dr. Nicol later entered diplomacy and represented Sierra Leone on the world stage. He served as Sierra Leone's permanent representative to the United Nations. In 1970, he even became president of the UN Security Council. That is one of the most powerful diplomatic positions in the world. A respected writer. Beyond science and diplomacy, Nicol was also a literary figure. He wrote under the pen name Yist Abiose Nicol, producing poems and short stories that explored African society and identity. International recognition. Dr. Davidson Nicol passed away in 1994.